In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quick actions in Salesforce, specifically designed for all you Salesforce admins out there. This is a straightforward process that only takes about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, we need to start by logging into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have your credentials ready, and once you're in, navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard. There, you'll find the gear icon. This is your gateway to the Setup menu. Click on that and then select Advanced Setup to access more detailed configurations. Once you're in the Advanced Setup, you'll notice a handy search box on the left side known as the Quick Find box. Type Object Manager in that box and hit Enter. This helps you quickly navigate through the potentially overwhelming number of options Salesforce presents. You'll then see Object Manager appear as an option, so go ahead and click on that. In the Object Manager, you need to decide on which object you'd like to create your quick action. The objects could be anything from an account or a case to a custom object that you've created. Once you select your desired object, you'll be redirected to that object's specific settings page. From here, look for the options that read Buttons, Links, and Actions. Click on them to see further options. You should now see an option to create a new action. Select this, and you're on your way to creating your quick action. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of action you want to create. Salesforce offers a few different types, such as create, update, log a call, and more. It's crucial to ensure you pick the one that aligns with what you want to accomplish. For instance, if you're aiming to log customer interactions, log a call would be appropriate. After selecting your action type, you'll need to enter some specifics. These include a label for your action, a name, and layout fields. The label is what users will see, so choose something clear and descriptive. The name is for your internal use, and it should be something simple that you'll remember. Once you've filled out these details, hit Save, but you're not done just yet. To make your new action useful to your team, you'll need to add it to either the object's page layout or use the Lightning App Builder to incorporate it into your interface. This makes it readily available for users to access directly from where they perform their daily tasks. And that's it. You've now successfully created a quick action in Salesforce, streamlining operations for better efficiency. Take a moment to test it and ensure everything works as expected. If it all looks good, you've just taken another step in becoming a Salesforce pro. Thank you for watching, and happy administering.